This will make a pretty cool bit of wall art. Chuck it up on the wall until we need it again. Alright, now I think we're pretty much good to go. Finally, had a few ups and downs, a few snags, but I think, oh fuck this one, there's another one. Got a little snag, so we'll get that, get some zip cutters, and get this thing, get the tang cut, yeah, mad dog, yeah. Do you mongrel, come on you flaming mongrel, get out of here, mad dog. Yeah, cut Kelly. Oh, finally, I think, oh, yeah. Bloody accelerator cable. It's going to get you every time that flaming mongrel. Alright, we'll get both points now. Get that off. Set up the crane, which is also being used as a camera stand. So, yeah, we'll set that up and get this bad boy out. Finally! Alright, lights action, is that clean? Probably give this a clean. Zip tie over there. Light. Boom! We got some light. Alright, we're hooked up. I think we're somewhat good to go. Let's see if this will work. I think I've undone most things, if not all things. We've got one more heater hose to disconnect. Apart from that, we should be good. Oh, oh, oh. Let's check that heater hose. Oh yeah, that's cool. Oh, we've got a brake hose. Forgot about that one. That's a bit Coca-Cola. Sick. I think we're all disconnected. Oh, we got an exhaust. Gadget. Get that out. Exhaust temp sensor. Okay, that's cool. What do we got going on here? Oh, a couple of waste gator lines, which I will pull through, which is this one here. Pull that one off. Pretty good at pulling them off. So, gangster. And waste gators. Alright. Are we good on this side? Got that there. Yeah, I think we might be. Those are still connected, but that's all good. Oh, that fell out. Cool. Alright, let's keep going. That was just a bit of plastic. See if we can put it back in. Gangster. That's a little bit of green love juice. Yeah, love a bit of greenness. Still got that on there. Yeah, gangster. I had a smart on that one. Oh yeah, that hose disconnected. Oh man, I think I did do a good job. Oh fuck, I got it right, eh? Okay, I should do this more often for a job. Doubt it. Oh yeah, no, you're all good, eh bro? Fuck, is it that simple? Alright then. We'll go down on the hoist. Oh, yeah, I love you too. You're the best. Thanks, Mr. Green. Mr. Green Thumb. Page Dust Green Thumb. Oh, yep. What are we caught on? Fucking not that hose, that's for sure. Oh, fuck, is that little, that's that bloody steering type thing in the jig. That's off, we're not caught up. It's okay. Oh, we've got this Luma Kelly here. Oh, this thing will be the death of me. I'm gonna undo that there. What have we got? 10 mil. Got 10 mil on this bad boy. Jumili and Japanese. Stick. Get on there. Get playing at Monday. Forgot one bolt. Always bloody one in there. Alright. What else have we got holding us back here? Nothing. Bloody well nothing. Got the oil cooler, but that's coming out with the engine, so we're all good there. We'll be good. We got this. Hey gangster. Alright, cool. Get this oil cooler out. Oh, it's extremely fun with one hand, by the way. Steering pump. Get this over there. Get this this oil. Wow. Awesome. Yeah. Got to get a picture for the gram. Yeah. Cool. Alright, let's get this bad boy out of here. Here. Up a bit higher. Wow, would you look at that? 13B, 5-speed manual. Oh, we might even chuck that up on Trade Me. Swap it out for an LS or something. No, fuck that, who would do that? No way would you do that. Nah, cool. Well, looks like we've got a bit of work to do, cleaning up the engine bay, get the rest of the stuff out. Yeah. Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's one job done, got that out. I don't think we're going to do any more today. I think we're going to go and chill out, relax, probably get the diff out and probably clean up this engine bay a little bit more. I don't know, maybe even when we get back from Japan or before, see, it depends how busy we are. But like, subscribe, share all the channel and shit. If you need any parts, hit up doryjunkie.com and yeah, till next time, have fun, peace.